Whirlpool dishwasher not cleaning. My dishwasher doesn't seem to be cleaning. I run it, and there's water in it, but the dishes aren't clean. I had some pods, and those just fell to the bottom of the dishwasher. So I tried some liquid soap. This was result. Model is a Whirlpool WDT750SAHZ0. It's only 2 years old. We inherited the machine when we moved in a couple of months ago. Worked fine until recently. Any thoughts on how to fix are welcome. I am not particularly handy. I'm happy to get a repair person in here, but thought I'd check to see if I'm just doing something dumb. Question from User Explorer Matt at Appliances at Reddit. Answer. I have a portable washer that I fix every month or two. Basically, it begins to fail to drain. So I remove everything, drain the water with my shop vac out the little spots, tip it on its back, disconnect the black rubber drain hose, vac that, put it all back together. It works great after all that. I refuse to rinse dishes because I barely have any time to myself waiting for the melatonin to kick in. I figure I spend less time fixing than I would rinsing for a family of 4. Answer from User Rebelhead at Appliances at Reddit.